Well, hello there. So we have a pretty different and interesting swarm here. I got a call from these lovely people, and the bees had actually ended up in a tree that was just right, it's just like 2 feet from here, and then they kind of migrated this way. This is a huge swarm, huge. I mean, it's like 8 bees deep going like 3 feet by 2 feet or something. And so I think what happened, this is a really cool old antique chest, and I think that what happened was maybe one of the scouts somehow could see inside the keyhole or something and thought that this would be a perfect place to build a new home, as I know that they have. I've gotten a call from a friend before where they had built a hive inside an old antique chest, so perfect size for a freaking huge swarm of bees like this. But anyway, so I got the call and rushed straight over after work, so I apologize for my not appropriate beekeeping gear, but this is going to be a different, a very different situation for getting the bees catching a swarm. Usually you just put a box underneath the tree and tap it, and there you go, but we definitely have something different going on here. My hope is I'll be able to find the queen, which there's something happening right here on the ground, so I'm going to kind of poke around in there. And then I also have this nice box here for them, which, oh my gosh, I hope they fit in. But I have a frame of honey, and there's actually even a tiny bit of brood in there, so I'm hoping that they will be nice and attracted to that, and wanna, once I get the queen in there, they'll wanna all go in there. So looking forward to this fun and interesting challenge, and hoping that it'll go smooth. Ironically, I had a beehive swarm this morning, and I was just absolutely bummed out about it all day long. And so it's ironic, not even a few hours later I get a swarm call for this amazing swarm of bees to come get. So I rolled up my pant legs just because I don't want bees crawling up inside my pants and getting stuck and then feeling uncomfortable and wanting to sting. So first I'm going to kind of just try and figure out what might be going on down in there. Hey ladies, is Mom down there? I'm thinking either Mom is there, or it's some sort of a predator, like maybe a wasp or something that they're actually trying to ball and kill. I mean, definitely don't try this at home, but I think that this is a pretty good demonstration as to, you know, bees are really very sweet little insects, and they're really not out to sting you or hurt you, and it's easy to have a fear of bees. There's this both of a fear and a fascination that we have with honeybees, but I mean they only sting defensively if they think that you're going after some of the resources in their hive or trying to hurt them by maybe accidentally stepping on them. But I mean, as you can see here, they're pretty sweet. They have no interest in hurting me because I'm not acting like a predator and hurting them in any way. I'm really hoping Mom is in here. That'll make our job a lot easier. Oh, I think I got her. Yep, so here's Mom, which is fantastic. I'm just trying to figure out why they're following her. Kind of looking to see if they're being aggressive with her and why the heck they would be aggressive with her. She's beautiful. Okay, why are you guys being mean to your mama? Here's the queen. See her just right there in the middle? Crawling up my hand. Hopefully you can see her. She's beautiful. She's old. She's an older queen. She has kind of tattered wings and she's just not big and fat, so this could have been a swarm from an older hive for sure. But let's get her in here. Just gonna lightly place her on this comb. These bees are very interested in me because I now have queen scent on me, so you can already see they're starting to crawl in there. They smell Mama. And just to kind of get a few of them started in there. Beep 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 beep. I'm gonna go ahead and take my sugar spritz. Just give them a little spritz. This makes it so there's also some lemongrass oil in there. It just kind of cuts down on the flying because I'm going to brush some of them in there and I don't want them to just fly right back out. So what I'm wanting for them to do is to start fanning as soon as they do get in there. Fanning means they've decided that that is home, and they're trying to let the rest of the sisters know, like, hey, we found a good place. Here's home. Aha! The keyhole. Lot of bees. So kind of just like I had thought, there's a keyhole right here, but they just obviously couldn't all get in there at the same time, so this is just kind of like a huge huge traffic jam. Maybe like 4 bees can come and go at the same time, but definitely not freaking hundreds like there is right here. Holy, holy. Seriously the biggest swarm I've ever seen. That's where they've been trying to get in and out of. Pretty freaking cool.